Hey guys, what's going on? Back out again. This time I've brought out my HPI XS SS and I've put on my FTX Carnage wheels because the other ones were just too narrow and skinny and I just couldn't get any control on this at all. So we're just going to try with these wheels for now. I do really need to buy its own set of wheels for this thing, and obviously running the quick run. What am I running in there? The 50BL or the 60BL Hobby Wing quick run in there, 3S, 2 to 3S system. Just run the 3S as well. Have some fun with this. Don't know what it's going to do. Let's see how we go. Cool little car. Haven't brought this one out much yet. Hasn't been on the channel much. With the other tyres, I just used to get heaps of body roll. I'm just fed up with it. Just couldn't stand it. So I'm thinking, just need something that's a little bit more fatter and wider. And I'm hoping this style of tyre would just be a little bit better for it. Nice. Not going to go too crazy with this one today. Just want to have a feel of it to see how it goes with these tyres. And like I said, if I'm happy with them, I'll get a nice set for it. I'm finding that there is a little bit better control with these tyres. I don't know if you ever saw my other video on this, but I'll put a link. And you can see what I mean. Like, I just really got frustrated with it. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. That one was not. Nice. I'm starting to feel a little bit happier with this one. Nice. Oh, wonderful. Yeah. Oh, I'm really happy with this now. Just driving so much better. What a set of tyres can do. What a difference. Nice. Nice, heaps of power in this little thing. Still running everything stock. Can't remember what's in it for the motor. Had that. I think for this size car, this BMX track is probably ideal. Now I'm starting to like this car. Nice and smooth. And I've got a dead battery. That's it. Low voltage. and I have no more spares. I only brought the one battery out. So that is going to be it, guys. Really short video on this one. Oh, but I must say I'm happy with these tires. They're not the right tires for it. I'm going to have to find some better grip tires, but I think this size of tire for this car is more ideal. Yeah, like I'll show you those skinny ones that I had on it, and I think they were just absolutely terrible, but this is more like it. I'm gonna have much more fun with this one. All right guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, tell me what you think of these little cars. They are an older car, but I still enjoy it. And tell me what you think of this track as well. And yeah, if I get the chance, I'll come out here again next time, and I'll bring some more cars for you. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, just got back to the car, took the battery out of the little HPI Savage, and yeah, I think the battery's gone. It's got one of the cells has popped. Don't know if you can see that right there, but yeah, and it is super hot. It is really hot. So I think this Z Power 4500 milliamp 3S is about to go in the bin. I'll put it in the bin safely, and there is a right way to do that. But yeah, so looks like it's done its day. It is extremely hot. Yeah, and it's yeah, it's bubbled up on one of the cells, so I'd say one of the cells has dropped. But yeah, this is gonna be a throwaway, and I'll have to get some better 3S batteries. So yeah, that's it.